Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video, and yeah, last whole month I was in my hometown in Nagaland and I've enjoyed a lot eating lots of Naga food. Like every day it was like pork and so many varieties of Naga dishes. So I've enjoyed a lot, but the enjoyment have to end, so it's an end. Well, now I'm back in Gurgaon and the weather is not like Nagaland. It's a little bit hot, but somehow it's okay. And yeah, well, I'm here with a new video. And guys, please kun sai please bra subscribe kori dibi. Ito lal button to unlal kori dibi. So please subscribe kori, okay? Puisa na jabo aro apni la phone la memory bi full bi no ho. Itu nimde bas ting connect ta dik par click kori dibi aro please subscribe kori. So yeah, let us just go to the recipe. I'm here with another simple recipe. Today I'm going to make bitter gourd salad. Karela la salad bunawle aje ido karela. First of all, we will heat the oil. I'm using mustard oil. So we will wait for the oil to heat. By the time we will cut the karelas also. Chalo guys, we will cut the karela. Don't make it too thin, otherwise while frying it will just shrink. So not so thin, not so thick. See this. Karela to sab cut kuri dishe. To ye namak milawo. We will add namak. Karela de olop extra namak khani bole ho jaye. Then add turmeric powder. This can be avoided also. If you don't want to add turmeric powder, you can avoid it. After adding, mix it nicely. So yeah, now we will add this in the oil. Make sure that it shouldn't be too crowded also. And you don't need to cover it, just fry it in a very low flame. So we will wait for some time. By the time we will make rice also. Are you do local sticky rice as edo? Dimapur ba anishi moe. Do and this is normal rice as well. This is just normal rice. So in this normal rice we will mix this sticky rice. Idu sticky normal rice to like muila measurement ekta steel cup ase do full cup ase. Ardo sticky rice do half cup ase. So idu mix kuna idu bunabe. Idu mix kuna bunaishi bole like you will feel like eating like a local rice. First we will wash this. Rice to bhalda wash korishi jada pan idi hali dibo. Make sure that this water is boiled. Sabi sticky rice ijabra color alag hoya jabo. So 5 minutes jina hoise mui to fry kori na. Ekdam fried in a very low flame. And time to time you can stir it also. ভাত বনাবলৈ বি টাইম লাগিব কাৰেলা বনাবলৈ বি টাইম লাগিব তো বিচটি মই দ ফিকা অনলাইন বনাই না খাই আছে দ itu fika do angkulap I hope I am pronouncing it well angkulap or king's tea so king's la tea khai ase moi to konyak la authentic tea ase do so this is very good ekdom bhal ase chalo guys taste kori jabo kara ase চাই পাতি লগা স্মেল বি বেশি ভালো আছে আচ্ছা কনিয়াক লা অথেন্টিক টি লিভস বেশি ভালো আছে তো if you want to buy it you can buy it from islandlaw.com they ship it all over India COD bhi ase and prepaid pe ase so kundu wala di apni am buy kuru je both are there so no worries adi apni am buy kuru parbo islandlaw.com de no ang konyak authentic tea গরম মন কাটি লাগি সব আর হলো ফ্রাই করব যা 6-7 মিনিটস জিনা হইছে সবই যা গোল্ডেন ব্রাউন হয়ে যাইছে তো একদম ওভার ব্রাউন বি নকরবি don't make it too brown गरम আছে तो use a steel bowl or glass bowl or clay लगा सेकंड बैच पे हुई है green chilies cut koriche 3 pieces of green chilies and medium size onion bhi slice kori diche aru apni ani to board iniga nichina board kinibum jale link to description de ase you can buy it from there it's a very thick board now transfer it in a bowl to salt a pinch of salt and just crush it aro onion bhi hali dibe a pinch of salt and then just crush it don't mash it all so already moi bishi fry gona rakhina ase sabi to the fry gona rakha do like for a week you can keep it in the fridge and you can eat that so you can keep it like a week so how much I want for dinner I've taken out separately edo imani khabo dinner de so this we will mix it here in onion and green chilies give it a good mix so edo bhalra mix korje ija last edo lemon do medium small size ase not medium size so ido half of the lemon juice to hali dibe now give it a good mix modi pani aa jaise de jab it is sticky rice mix kona banada ase normal rice with sticky rice arajila main recipe karela salad, pork sabji bhi ase aro mango achar and then lemon bhi ase. To man sundar ase bhangai di boli bhi mon nai. Hole khawle lagibo to bhangai dibo. Aya gorom de gorom bhat kha do. Enjoy de. करेला जे उन्हें भी खूब ना बड़े तीता सब चाहिए जिन्हें कौन करेला ना खाए खावले मुन्ना है तीता खावले मुन्ना है just try this recipe this is too good बिजी बाल दे ओके गाइस मन गरम आसे तबे पोसना ओले ना गरम गुना खाय आसे ओले भी मन टेस्टी आसे सो ऑफ कैमरा में खावले आसे दुनिम दे मन दाकी बहुत बनाओ and yeah guys please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to hit the notification icon thank you so much kun mola video full dak sai je apne gi bishi thanks ase see you in the next video bye bye